team's in a building point right now. We're definitely just starting to bring more and more people on, and we're making great strides to get our research done. I'd say it's about 70% students now, 30% professor employees. I think that number will jump once we start doing research for the actual craft and have some funding. But right now they're a great resource to talk to and get a professional's point or perspective on some of these subsystems.
I'm really pleased with the way that the students have been working together. We've had a little period here of transition from what we were doing in the summer to what we're doing this semester here, and that included moving into a new facility, a laboratory for the students to work in. And so getting that set up and going through this transition has slowed things down a little bit, but I really like the interest and the enthusiasm of the students that have come.
There's a lot of pride in doing something like this and taking on something that's really academically challenging, and not just academically, but just challenging in almost every aspect. And something that is so specialized and that not many people have been able to have the opportunity to do this kind of research. It's definitely a great thing.
We're putting together not just a spacecraft, but a whole program here. And so one of the challenges has been to get the workspace that we need on campus and to find all the resources that we need to get the work done. Right now we're working on requirements development for a prototype for the rocket system, and going to move that from requirements into design, and having the system tools, the computers, the software, and then the hardware to do all that. Getting those resources together is definitely a challenge. The campus is big, there's a lot going on, and finding floor space is also a challenge, just to have our own workroom. But these things are all starting to come together. One of our students identified some space that was available, and the college let us move in very graciously, and we're moving forward with setting up a lab for the students specifically for the Lunar Lion, and we're really grateful to have the space.
I've always been interested in space exploration. When I came onto the team, when I applied for the team, I was super excited, and I really wanted to be a part of this, and I still do. And I really enjoy doing this and being a part of this team. And it's always been an interest of mine. I've always built little rockets as a kid, and all kinds of stuff. And I really like the hands-on experience of really, testing and learning. And it's definitely been a huge learning process, and that's something great to take away.
The development of a rocket-powered prototype for testing both the propulsion system and the guidance and control system, this project that the students have taken on, is the next step on our path to the moon.
We're ready to get to the moon.